Okay, e-bikes, I have the ignition switch here. It's not really designed right, but I do have it so that it turns off the bike and it turns on the bike. I have my LCD screen. I turn this on. It wants to move. I turn it out. I get nothing. So what I did down here, I went black on black, green on green, and yellow with red. And then I went blue to red. The yellow to red goes to the controller box. The blue to red goes to the speed controller with the key. And that's how I figured it out. So that now when you turn the key off, your bike don't move. But I also have this LCD screen that tells me the full voltage of my battery. I'm not going to rely on this that much because it's not too reliable right now. Eventually I'll get it fixed, but it will give me some voltage, but only enough that I could actually run my bike forward. Thank you for watching.